What's up mga Wonders? It's your boy Ian and welcome back to the second episode of Wonder Talks. Let's go! So today guys, gusto ko lang mag-share. Real talk lang. Hindi ito tutorial, hindi rin rant. Okay. Konting rant lang. Usapang life. Specifically, anong feeling ng nasa late 20s ka na or 30s ngayong 2025? Let's go! Being in your late 20s or 30s feels like gusto mong mag-travel pero gusto mo rin matulog na maaga. Gusto mo mag-try ng bagong bagay pero takot ka na sa risk. You're more mature, yes, pero minsan tanga mo pa rin, diba? Tapos yung idea mo ng fun before, gimmick, inuman, puyat. Ngayon, tahimik na kwentuhan, maagang uwi, at bagong bedsheet. Wala. Peak adulting. Yung barkada mo, busy na lahat. May anak, iba may asawa, iba nagre-recover pa sa quarter life crisis. Yung group chat nyo, walang reply for days. Pero pag may nagreklamo na may masakit sa kanila, boom! Sabay-sabay nagre-reply, di ba? At yung, tara hangout! Tara hangout! Planning pa lang, parang nagsiset up ng business meeting. May doodle pool, may availability, may calendar invite pa. Tapos, may chance din na ma-cancel at the end. Pero pag natuloy, sobrang saya. Kasi, wala, bihira na lang eh. Yung career mo, minsan, ang saya, feeling mo, oh, I'm getting it together. Something like that. Then, next week, wala, gusto mo na lang mag-resign at magtinda ng isaw or kung ano-ano pa na naiisip mo. Sino nakaka-relate? Lahat may side hustle. Lahat may brand. Lahat may, grind mentality. Pero ikaw, wala. Sinasalo mo lahat ng stress. Tapos, tinatapos mo ng isang malaking iyak sa body. Diba? And, LinkedIn na website, parang Facebook na pang professional lang. Flex ng job, promotions, courses. Ikaw, ayun, naka-open to work mode pa rin. Ay, nako. Dati, kahit anong kain mo, okay lang. Ngayon, isang maling order lang ng milk tea, wala. Buong araw, bloated ka. May vitamins ka na ngayon. May stretching routine. Nagka-caffeine cut-off ka na. At hindi ka na makatulog ng late. Kasi, may lower back pain na ako eh. Sakit ng likod ko. Sino ka na? Diba? Social media in 2025. Nakakapagod actually. IG is for stalking. TikTok is for chaos. But oddly, self-help rin. Si Twitter, X pala. Sorry. Ayun, still toxic. Pero real talk, nakaka-stress talaga siya minsan. Kasi makikita mo, ang dami nang na-achieve ng ibang tao. May bahay na, may negosyo, may family. Ikaw, nagpapaulit lang ng alarm 5 times. Pwede na rin. Pero, alam mo, na-realize ko, walang nakaka-figure out talaga ng buhay. Some people are just better at pretending. Relationships, ang gulo. Some friends are married, some are newly single. Some are in a longer situationships na wala namang label. Ikaw, pwedeng masaya mag-isa, pwedeng healing from the past, or pwedeng nagpapanggap na okay ka pero di mo sure. Pero habang tumatanda ka, nare-realize mo, mas importante na yung peace over kilig, yung honesty over landi, yung understanding over ghosting. You don't need perfect. You just want something real. Pero kahit parang ang gulo ng lahat, may maganda pa rin dito. You learn to love yourself. You forgive yourself. You protect your peace. You stop proving things to people and start choosing what feels right for you. Hindi mo kailangan maging super successful at 30. You just need to be kind to yourself. Hindi ka late, and especially hindi ka behind. You're just moving at your own pace, and that's okay. So, yeah. Being in your late 20s or 30s in 2025, it's confusing, it's overwhelming, but it's also healing, and it's growth. Kung relate ka, comment down below, share mo to sa tropa mong sabay mo rin nalilito sa buhay. Like, subscribe, and as always, ingat ka. You're doing better than you think. Kita-kits ulit sa next vlog. Bye-bye!